In this video, we can learn how to write a program to create a list and display the even numbers present in it. So already in the last video, we have learned how to create a list and how to display the elements present in the list. Now in this question, they asked us to display the even numbers present in the list. We have to display the even numbers. So before the print statement, we have to give an if condition. That's it. Okay. Now we can do an example and we can write the program. We are having a list A. A is my list. It is having some values like this: 5, 6, then 7, 8. And we have learned that list is having index values. So we can write 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the elements in my list. Now I want to take each element and I want to check whether it is divisible by 2. If the element of the list is divisible by 2 and if the remainder is 0, then we can say that it is an even number. So first we will be taking a of 0 and we are checking a of 0 is divisible by 2. If the remainder is 0, we can say that it is an even number. Then we can print the even number. The condition is false. Now we can take a of 1. What is there in a of 1? That is 6. The condition is true. Then we have to print a of 1. Then again we have to check a of 2. A of 2 is 7. The condition is false. So no action taking place. Now next it is a of 3. Then a of 3 is 8. The condition is true. Then we have to print a of 3. That means this statement is working continuously. So in order to work this statement continuously, we have to give it inside the loop. That's it. So from the beginning to this end, that means length of list minus 1, or we can we have to check from the index 0 to the element that is less than length of the list A. We have to execute the loop. So we can write like this: I equal to 0, then we can write while I less than length of A. Now we have to check whether the element is even or odd. So here we have to write the condition: if A of I, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the index values, so we have to write I. The variable referring to 0, 1, 2, 3 will be I, right? So we have to write A of I mod 2 equal to 0. If the condition is true, we have to print A of I. So the first value of I will be 0. Now I want to check A of 1. Then we have to increment the value of I. Even if the condition is true or false, we have to increment the value of I. So here we have to write I equal to I plus 1. Okay. So we will be incrementing the value of I. Now it will be 1, 2, 3 like that. When the value of I become less than 4, the loop will stop. So in this way we can display the even numbers. Okay. Now we can write the program. So our program is, we have to create a list, then we have to display the even numbers. So we will be taking an empty list. This all we have learned before. Then we are taking the while loop, while true. Then we have to input the value. We can write n equal to int input, enter the value. Then we have to append n to a. We can write a dot append n. So this loop will be working continuously. In order to break the loop, we have to take a variable ch and we have to input either yes or no to it. So you can write ch equal to input. Do you want to add more values? It is a yes or no question. If ch in capital N or small letter n, we have to break the loop. So we have created the list. Next, we have to display only the even numbers. So we have to write I equals 0 while I less than length of A. Then we have to write the if condition. If A of I mod 2 equal to 0, then we have to break the loop. Not break the loop, sorry, we have to print A of I. If the condition is true, we have to print. Even if the condition is false also, we have to move to the next value for I. So here we have to write I equal to I plus 1. That means this I equal to I plus 1 is not belonging to this if condition. We have to increment the value of I, then only we can move to the next location. For that we are writing I equal to I plus 1. Now one more point, while you are writing the Python program, you have to follow the intent correctly. If your intent is wrong, means you will be getting error. So this is the answer for the question.